Experiencing the activate number error on Spectrum Mobile, especially during port-ins or eSIM setups, is a common frustration. Let's break down the core issues and how to tackle them. The activate number process within the My Spectrum app links your SIM card, either physical or eSIM, to your account by verifying its ICC ID against Spectrum's database. This process enables your mobile service. Several factors can cause failures, the most common being issues when transferring an existing mobile number to Spectrum, known as port-in, or activating an eSIM. For port-ins, ensure your previous carrier has fully released your number. This can sometimes take up to 48 hours post-request. Incorrect account details from your previous carrier, like account number or PIN, are another common cause, leading to rejection. For eSIM activations, confirm that your device is compatible and maintain a stable Wi-Fi connection throughout the setup. Start troubleshooting by ensuring you have the latest version of the My Spectrum app. Clear the app's cache, as outdated data can interfere with the activation process. Use the app's built-in diagnostic tool, which scans for common errors like invalid SIMs or account mismatches. If these initial steps don't resolve the issue, continue to the next section for more advanced solutions. For port-in issues, Spectrum's automated process usually completes in 2 to 4 hours, but delays can happen. First, verify with your previous carrier that your number has been released and all account information provided to Spectrum is accurate. Use your previous carrier's app or website to confirm this. If the delay continues beyond 4 hours, contact Spectrum support, mentioning any known outages like the one in July 2025. Request that they escalate the port-in request. For eSIM issues, activation involves scanning a QR code in the My Spectrum app and confirming in your device settings. Make sure your device is compatible with eSIM technology, which most models from 2018 onward are. If the QR code won't scan, ensure it's clear and well lit. After scanning, restart your device to complete activation. Sometimes a firmware update is necessary for certain devices like the iPhone 15 Pro or Pixel 8. Check for and install any available software updates on your device. If problems continue, contact Spectrum support. AI-powered chatbots in the My Spectrum app offer real-time diagnostics. If needed, submit a manual support ticket through the app. Be patient, as most issues resolve within 48 hours.